Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Annika Dopping, and my passion as a senior TV producer has always been to find and convey human progress in any form to as many as possible. So the moment I heard about this auspicious assembly, for the first time ever, was going to meet in Stockholm to explore whether complex systems adaptive science could help our endangered species survive in these very troubled times and help us change course to a sustainable one. I started my endeavor to see how can we share this with the public.
We're on the way to a mass extinction. A mass extinction is 75% more of all species going extinct. There's been 5 in the past 550 million years. The biggest is the Permian. 97% of all species went extinct. How big is this extinction event going to be? Frankly, we haven't the faintest idea. None. And meanwhile, our economy is growing at 4% and will be 10 times larger, invading every habitat on the planet, moving species from one to another environment. And sometimes they fit in, the species fits into the new environment. Sometimes it wreaks havoc on that new environment. The recovery from a mass extinction isn't in the thousands of years, it's in the millions of years, and we're not going to survive it.
I work in the area of climate and green finance. How do we redirect financial flows so they will have less impact on the climate change and on the environment, but also how do we study the impacts of climate change on the financial system, whether they be national or global, so that we might maintain a stable financial system which does not disrupt the climate as it's doing right now.
We have a lot of philanthropy, but I can tell you it's a fraction. It's a fraction of what the money is out there.
What is our new relationship with the Earth? And how are we embedded within it instead of mastery over it? And so I find it very exciting to think together through new paradigms.
The value system isn't about being right or wrong. It's about righting yourself, like a captain would right his sailboat to the winds of change.
Given what we already have, we have a United Nations that is very imperfect. It's still nation states struggling with each other for national interest. How do we take that connection to the next level and build an effective system of governance at the global level? If we want to solve climate change, for instance, we need to be able to legislate the release of greenhouse gases around the world to equitably share the effort of coming back down to what the planet says must be our limit to avoid catastrophic climate change.
I'm Erik Moberg. I'm a businessman working with large corporations in 30 years in an international arena. So I come to this conference with a little bit of a different background. I haven't been a climate activist in any way since maybe a month ago. But I heard about this 4 weeks ago. We got the opportunity to set up this conference in Stockholm, and I was part of it and been helping out different ways. And now I'm engaged. I'm awakened for this really important knowledge. And I'm really thrilled, but I'm also a bit burdened because it's a heavy burden to carry this knowledge. I learned a lot during this conference, and it's really a serious situation at hand.